All right, we're back again. And the last animation we did, we were just cycling through the layers. So it was pretty much just random. Hopefully, you'll want to do something that's a little more purposeful, a little more direct. So this work of art I have, this is Joyce Scott, a wonderful artist who lives in Baltimore. And I just want to do something to this to show like the mystical energy that she has. So let's try and add some mystical energy here. So I've got this layer that's underneath, this brown layer is underneath the blue layer, right? There it is. So it's showing through. So if I do something that's animated on that layer, it'll still show through. So I'm gonna first of all just make a copy of it because I'm safe like that. And then I'll just take my paintbrush and just do a nice kind of swirly pattern all around. I should have turned off the blue layer so I could actually see it more as I did it, but it seems to be working. It's a little hard to control a paintbrush. There you go. It looks like this. Ooh, nice. All right. And then what I'll do is just duplicate that again, right? And I'm going to give it a quarter turn. So come up to edit and transform, and I can just rotate it 90 degrees. All right. So see, it moved. Let's do that again. Duplicate it, give it another quarter turn, edit, transform, rotate 90 degrees, and finally one more time, duplicate, edit, transform, rotate 90 degrees. So look, I got 4 of them, and they look like this. You can tell they move. Right? So if I just animate those same way we did before, I'm gonna click on this one and hold down the shift key and grab the others. That's what I want to animate, just a little twistiness. Come up to layer, animation, and make frames. All right, that should do it. Let's see what it looks like. File, export as a GIF. Whoa, that's not doing the right thing. Oh, and here's why, because from the other video, these still have a little underscore a underscore, right? So it's anything that has that is animated. So I got to really quickly now, because I'll be running out of time, take the A's off of these. And I can't do that up here in the layer menu. I just got to click on the title of it and take it off. Come on, there you go. Now I'm all nervous because I'm going to run out of time on my recording. There you go. You got to double click on the name to get the name. All right, that should do it. I'm going to turn this off so we can see it better. Woo! All right, now file, export as a GIF. There we go. Whoa. All right, it's a little wonky. If I had made more circular spirals, that would look better. But it worked, right? I could save that. I can play with the speed. There you go.